Hello, my name is Luke Lorio, part of Group 6 with Samantha David, and I'm here today to talk about Project 2. Here you can see our GUI, and on the right you actually have our robot drawing something. Just wanted to show you on the GUI how we can actually make that happen. So here's the robot in its home position after you click Make Robot. This actually connects the Arduino hardware as well. Once that's connected, you can go ahead and decide if you want to plot it on the hardware or the software, or both. You click just the software right now. You decide you want to draw something. When you click draw, it'll load up this nice little image of a house. You can go ahead and slowly trace the outside of it. On the right, you can see that we actually split this up into two parts. We have the base of the house, and once that loads, we go through and we trace the top of the house. Now on the right, you can see that when that robot finishes drawing the top of the house, it actually puts the pen up, goes to the next line, and then finishes drawing it. Now you can see some smudges on the left side of that video. That's part of what our positioning of the pen had to do with. So we actually tried to minimize those. That's some of our best results right there. You can actually see the best ones in the report. And if you click plot for just the software, it takes a minute, and eventually a plot will show up of the end result. So just very briefly, here's the end result of that. You can see there's actually a couple plots and points in the middle there with the connecting of the lines. But all in all, the IK-Con shows that it actually does a pretty good job of plotting out what it's supposed to show. Next, I want to show you a little bit of the operation of the GUI and showing the X and Y value connection. So we actually click on move to XY position here, and you'll see the robot go to its XY position. And when it does so, you'll see that it moves to the position and pushes the pen down and up to say that it went to that position. Now we go back to the GUI, and we can see that the X and Y values are zeros. So we're going to change those X and Y values very quickly. Once again, we're going to click move to XY, and after it uses inverse kinematics and forward kinematics to calculate where it needs to go, it'll give a little nod, move that next position, and show that it got there. That's all for this project. And we'll talk to you again when Project 3.